How to manage your poll votes on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage your poll votes on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy and then click settings and go down, click this one, activity log, and then interactions. Now on it to just click this one, poll votes, and here you can manage your poll votes, activity history on Facebook mobile, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.